What's up, VIPs? Welcome to Window Tints. Today we're going to be showing you two beautiful Range Rovers. We have our 2014 supercharged Range Rover here. This has 46,000 miles. This customer came to us. I said, Dave, I don't know what to do. Just bought the car. Do I repaint it? Do I wrap it? I says, we can take care of you. There's major swirl marks and scratches, surface scratches all over the car, on the plastics, on the paint. We're going to go ahead and rejuvenate that with a two-stage paint correction. We're going to rejuvenate the paint with the two-stage paint correction, take the swirl marks out, get it looking pristine. We've already given both of these a foam bath and started the process on the hood already, which we'll show you right here. Almost all the swirls and scratches are gone from this. We do have a little bit up there that we're finishing as well. Left side's perfect. Right side we have a little bit more to take care of. So after we do the two-stage paint correction, we're going to be doing the gold package. Okay, the gold package consists of 4 coats of 9H on top of the paint surface. Then we do an extra layer of light for the hydrophobic effect. We do all of the glass to give it like the Rain-X effect, where the rain doesn't stick to the window, just beads right off and flies off as soon as the water hits. Wheels we're going to get done as well, the face of the wheels to minimize brake dust. Also going to be doing the interior. If you take a look at the interior, definitely very dirty, but we will be cleaning it and making it look perfect. Over here we have the 2019 Range Rover Velar. This customer as well said, Dave, what do we do? I just bought the car, it's got 3,000 miles, scratches all over. Usually this is from improper washing or going through many car washes. So we do a two-step, we have 3 buckets. So we use 3 buckets when we do our detail, and then we use a foam cannon to foam, which takes the decontaminants out of the actual painted surfaces. This as well is gonna be getting 4 coats of 9H and a layer of light. The interior obviously is it's brand new, so it looks beautiful, but that'll be getting done as well. The wheels, the glass, and everything inside you touch, we touch. We've been working on our project Moose, which is next door, and we're gonna go over there shortly to get an update on that. Make sure you smash the subscribe button below and follow us. Hey guys, we're back at A-Lowe's with the Volvo S60R giveaway. And last time we were discussing what we were gonna do with the wrap. We've actually said, you know what? We're gonna contacted the best of the best. We contacted Skeppel. They've done some of the baddest wraps known, and we're excited to see what they come up with. Should have it hopefully within the rendering within the next week or so. And we'll hopefully get it wrapped shortly after. Adrian over here is with the Volvo wagon, blue wagon. Same engine, Adrian?
Same engine, yeah.
Turbo too?
Turbo, yeah.
Oh my gosh, that might be the next one. Let's talk about the performance upgrades. We had a lot of comments on our YouTube channel. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe now. But we had Wazam says, please no nitrous, stick with exhaust and intercooler. We also had Alexi, 3-inch exhaust, big radiator, intercooler, seats out, 2 Recaros. We're looking good over here. Obviously, we have some comments negative about NOS, so.
Yeah, I agree with some of these guys. These guys obviously are subscribers, they know what they're talking about, they're very knowledgeable. I agree, intercooler and exhaust system, it'll be a fantastic car.
So if we need to do the NOS after, we're able to make it quick.
We can do that after.
Okay, so we won't talk about that now.
Yeah.
We'll definitely get this ordered on the intercooler. Yep. The exhaust, we're probably going to take it to one of the local exhaust shops around here.
Get a custom
made exhaust. Comment below of what you guys might think, or where you think we maybe should take it to get the custom exhaust for this beautiful Volvo, or soon to be. And then anything else, Adrian?
Other than the exhaust.
Time frame roughly? What are you thinking here?
Time frame? Take about maybe a couple of weeks.
Couple of weeks complete?
You know, most, yeah.
Couple weeks. Make sure you keep in touch. We're going to go next door now, take a look at the Range Rovers and see what the progress is over there. We're back at the shop. Range Rovers are in progress here. Come take a look. We can walk around and see how good they're turning out. The black is definitely popping a lot more. There's, from what I'm seeing right now, no swirl marks and no surface scratches whatsoever. Any scratches at all, actually. This paint is like glass. So what we got over here, both sides all done, and we're working our way back. Start from the front, usually work our way back with these, and just you can see, it just looks like glass all the way through. We have a little surprise for our Tesla customers. If you want to follow me up front and take a look. Just got this in, and we are super excited to show all of our Tesla customers when they come in. They not only get our services and everything, but they also get a charge. We've got our 80 amp Tesla supercharger over here, and she's got juice. She's ready to roll. So whenever you're in the area, you just want to come out, check our shop out, you're more than welcome to. We're here, and we'll give you some juice. Hey VIPs, we're back at the Range Rovers, doing our final coat 4 on this of the 9H, Ceramic Pro 9H. And we have one more layer of light to do after this one. If you look at the paint, it looks flawless. The Velar behind us over here is getting the 2-step done currently, and then it's going to be also getting the gold as well with the 4 coats of 9H and the layer of light, interior face of the wheels, the glass, all of it's getting coated. Everything inside that they're going to be touching, we're going to be touching. We have our Tesla Model S behind us. This one's going to be getting chrome delete. We're going to be powder coating the wheels, as well as doing the ceramic window tinting on this. So we had a lot of comments on the Project Moose, and we are interested and excited to see the new wrap that's coming from Skeppel. Let us know what your comments and what you might think it will look like. Comment below, subscribe, and follow us wherever you guys can. We'll be back next time.